When you think of an environmental disaster, you may picture oil slicks, plastic patches in the ocean, and smoke covering the sky. But there's hope in the form of tiny organisms with big appetites that might just be sitting in your kitchen right now. Fungi could save the planet, or at least help us clean up the messes we've made. Welcome to Biologic Master. And this is how fungi can save the planet and what you have in your kitchen right now. Mycoremediation is the use of fungi to clean up environmental pollutants. Fungi are incredibly diverse and grow in many different environments, from the tops of trees to the bottom of the sea. And they all need to obtain nutrients in order to survive. Many do this by breaking down dead organic matter like fallen leaves. But some have branched out and now feed on man-made chemicals and materials too. Fungi have been found to remediate or clean up sites contaminated by everything from pesticides to plastics to radioactive waste. They break these substances down into more basic forms, which releases the trapped nutrients inside and makes them available to other life. Some fungi even produce enzymes that break down pollutants in water, like this fungus that removes arsenic from groundwater by eating it. And if that doesn't sound cool enough, did you know that fungi can remove pollutants from the air too? Fungi growing on tree roots or in soil can suck up potentially toxic gases and particles. One study found that certain fungi were able to remove 90% of diesel particulates from the air when grown in a chamber with the pollutant. But what about bigger disasters like oil spills? Fungi have shown that they can break down some components of oil, though not as quickly as bacteria. There's also the added bonus that fungi tend to stay put while bacteria can move around. So, in general, fungi are better at cleaning up pollutants in one specific area, while bacteria are better at cleaning up pollutants in water that they're carried along with. So instead of using harsher, less environmentally friendly methods to clean up oil spills or contaminated sites, scientists are exploring ways to use fungi to do the work for us. Fungi can also help us make biodegradable and sustainable materials, like this mushroom leather. It's made from the mycelium or root structure of certain mushrooms. The mycelium is grown in a lab on a nutrient-rich substrate. Then it's carefully harvested and treated to make it suitable for use as material, since it's made from a natural, renewable resource and is biodegradable. It's a much more eco-friendly option than traditional leather, which is made from the skins of animals. Not only that, but fungi can also be used to make biodegradable plastics. Scientists have found that certain fungi are able to break down polyurethane, which is used to make everything from yoga mats to shoe soles. And they figured out how to harness this ability to make new polyurethanes that are easier to break down. By using enzymes produced by the fungi. Researchers have developed a way to make plastics that will break down in a few years, not a few hundred. These new bio-based plastics could help reduce the amount of waste that fills up our landfills and the oceans. And these aren't the only amazing things fungi can do. Certain types of fungi could be the source of new medicines and food. For example, scientists have found that some fungi are able to produce compounds that fight cancer cells. Other fungi have been found to contain the compounds that could be used to treat bacterial and viral infections. In fact, many of the antibiotics we use today were discovered by studying fungi. As for food, fungi are already on the menu. Mushrooms, truffles, and morels are all edible fungi. And some cultures around the world have developed techniques to cultivate these delicacies. Fungi are also being explored as a sustainable protein source for animal feeds. Mealworms that are fed a diet of fungi grow faster and live longer. And it turns out that chickens, pigs, and cows will happily munch on ground-up fungal biomass too. So the next time you're cooking dinner and you reach for that salt and pepper shaker, take a moment to appreciate all the ways that fungi are helping us out, from putting food on the table to cleaning up after us. We couldn't do it without them. Now you know why it's important to let your food grow on the vine, why fungi are the secret ingredient in your favorite foods, and how fungi can save the planet and what you have in your kitchen right now. Thank you for watching and see you soon.